TOEFL Writing Mastery, Unlocking the Secrets. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the essential sections of the TOEFL exam, the writing section. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the resources and strategies you can use to excel. Remember, mastering the writing section can significantly boost your overall TOEFL score. The TOEFL writing section consists of 2 tasks. 1. Integrated writing task. You will read a short passage, then listen to a lecture about the same topic, and finally, write a response comparing the 2 sources. 2. Independent writing task. Here, you will express and defend an opinion on a particular topic. Think of it as an essay where you present your thoughts clearly and coherently. Tip: always structure your responses. Start with an introduction, followed by body paragraphs, and conclude with a strong ending. For achieving success, you need the right tools and resources. Here are some you can utilize. 1. Official TOEFL guidebooks. These have sample writing tasks and answers. Review them to get a sense of what the examiners expect. 2. TOEFL writing prompts. Available online. Practicing with these can sharpen your writing speed and clarity. 3. Essay evaluation services. While not free, these services can offer invaluable feedback on your essays. Note: practice is crucial. The more you write, the more confident you'll become. Even the best of us can slip up sometimes. Here are some pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Off-topic responses. Always address the question directly. Going off on tangents can cost precious marks. 2. Grammar and spelling errors. While perfect grammar isn't expected, too many mistakes can lower your score. 3. Repetition. Aim for a varied vocabulary. Repetition can make your essays sound monotonous. Tip: proofread your work. Spending a few minutes at the end can help you spot and correct minor errors. And that wraps up our journey through the TOEFL writing resources and tips. Remember, with dedication and the right resources, you can conquer the writing section and achieve your desired score. Until next time, keep practicing, and good luck on your TOEFL journey.